the CHAR function. This function converts a normal number to the character it represents in the ANSI character set used by Windows. For example, the number 65 produces a code as A, 66 is B, 169 gives us the copyright symbol. Like I used here, I can just add char bracket 169 and whatever name, and it produces this copyright INFA as the output. So the syntax is char and the number must be between 1 and 255. So this table consists of all the corresponding character sets, corresponding code for each number as regards Windows codes. So 1 has this and all of it up to 255. When you download this workbook, you have access to all of this and learn more about it. So depending upon the operating system, the character code may vary. So the output may vary on a different operating system for the same input. The Windows operating system uses the ANSI character set, while the Mac operating system uses the Macintosh character set. CHAR formula has many uses. It can be used to replace unwanted characters. It can further be used while writing an Excel application or a macro when dealing with strings and characters. Let's see CHAR in Excel example. We have 3 strings in cells C68, 69 and 70, and we want to concatenate the strings with a line break in this cell. Concatenate means joining strings or texts together. So we can use the CHAR in Excel to insert line break. As we know, the ASCII code for line break is 10. So I'm going to concatenate these three strings with CHAR 10 to have a continuous paragraph with line breaks. I'm going to do it here. So I'll type the equal to. All Excel functions start with equal to this text here, comma, and increase the width. Yeah, first. Increase the width. So we have equal to this text, then ampersand, that is the and, to join the text. So I'm going to put CHAR because I want to put the line break here. CHAR 10 is line break in Excel. Then ampersand again. The next text again. CHAR 10. Close the bracket. Ampersand again. Then I'll put the last string here. So if I click enter, it gives me all these 3 different texts in one cell with line breaks. So this is how to use the CHAR function. There are so many functions you can read through and see the codes for each number. Thank you for your time on this. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us and like our videos.